to this idea of a bad monster or whatever. I want to take you, though, to a poem that we study in our together in our junior year, but I just want to take you back to it. This is Emily Dickinson's Little Offering. I'm nobody. Who are you? Are you nobody too? Then there's a pair of us. Don't tell. They'd advertise, you know. How dreary to be somebody. How public, like a frog, to tell one's name the livelong June to an admiring bog. Well, this is, as we've studied this poem before, this is one of Emily Dickinson's greatest ones, right? And yet, notice it's kind of funnier if you know the famous story we just told, right? Finally, at 3B, what was a time when you accused someone of doing the very thing that you had done? In other words, it's only okay if I do it, right? It's bad form for Polyphemus to eat Odysseus' men. It's okay, though, for Odysseus' men to enter the city of the Cicones and kill all the men and drag off the women. That's acceptable, but what Polyphemus does is not. Interesting. What's a time when you got paid back for something you did to another person, and that is to say you deserved it? What's a time when you fool someone? We're thinking now about the I'm nobody thing, right? And it was kind of a way for you to be able to get it done. All right, well, that's Book 9. We'll continue with Book 10 now, and the meeting with, finally, the witch Circe, and we'll continue with these really amazing and wonderful stories. Thank you.